think I'm perfect. Perfect. It's just perfect. Perfect. I'm perfect.
Yo, what's up, y'all? Digital Dennis here, and in this tutorial I just wanted to show y'all how you can stop or reduce freezing in After Effects. And what I mean by that is quite simply when you take any type of video file, even if it's just one or two, and you add it into an After Effects project, and you start to realize that it freezes, and you're like wondering, why? Because I mean, it's the only one that you opened. So this is what you're gonna do. For example, you drag this into composition, and here you have a new composition, and I press spacebar, and you notice that it takes a few seconds before the actual video can start to play. And you notice that it did take a few seconds to play, but then it also started freezing after some time. And when you select a different part, for instance, you're gonna go through the exact same reoccurrence where it starts playing and then it starts freezing again. You hear all the stuttering and shuttering of the video. Even if you go to another part of it by pressing and holding Control while left clicking, you notice that the actual video has difficulty playing out, and this is just one video, and we don't even have effects added to it. For example, if I added in normal channel effects like Minimax and Set Matte, and then I'd add a few blur effects like Compound, Sharp Blur, and now all of a sudden the freezing has increased, and it's even worse than before. And this is only one video that we are attempting to play it in, and as you can see, you can't see and you can't really do anything with this kind of video file. So the first thing you need to do in order to solve this problem is you need to go to your resolution setting right over here next to your RGB color palette, and you need to select it all the way down to a third, sometimes even a quarter, sometimes half. As you can see, what that does is it lowers the resolution. And then as you can see, now it plays, it's trying to play, you can hear the sound, the stuttering is reduced. If that's not enough, you come to this little box here. There's something called adaptive resolution, and that tries to optimize your computer to work with After Effects to best suit the graphics that's needed in order to play the video. If that doesn't work, you can press fast draft, and what that does is it lowers the graphics to the least amount that is able to allow the video to run on After Effects without having to freeze. So it kind of tries its best, but ultimately there's no perfection to doing this. And in order, if you want to take things a step further, you can go to Edit, and you can go to Preferences, Previews, and then you can go to not General but your Previews tab, and you can make this 1/8, or you can come to this section over here by your project file, and you can go to 8 bits per coloring, and what you can do is channel, you can change that to 8, and you can change your sample rate to 44.1, and by doing this makes it even quicker. So if I hold Control and left click, it makes it better, and if I press spacebar, it plays smoothly. It tries its best at least, but now you can't really see anything, so you have to delete some effects. And I hope this tutorial worked out for you guys, and I hope you liked it. And subscribe, rate, and comment, and tell me what you guys think. Alright, Digital Dennis, thanks for watching.
I think I'm perfect. It's just perfect. I'm perfect.